Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to edit a table in Ms. Word. So how to edit a table in Ms. Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, drag the cursor menu and enter the Insert menu. Then on the Insert menu tap Table. And then add the number of tables you want. As a start here I added 3 rows and 4 columns. And then, set the table with 8 tab and slide the table to be shifted. Next, enter the data as on the screen that I display, such as number, name, male or female, and test score. For the name as an example I entered Mark and Yola. And enter the gender of Mark and Yola. And then to add some test scores as I show. The method is: enter the Layout menu. Then to edit the table in it, can tap Draw Table. And direct the cursor towards the table that we will edit. Left tap on your mouse. And drag in the desired direction. Repeat the previous method to edit or add other lines. And here is an example of an excess line from what we want. To delete it, tap the Eraser menu. And point the cursor towards the line we want to delete. And click, it will be automatically deleted. And to add another line, edit the table in it. Can tap Draw Table. And point the cursor towards the table we want to edit. Enter data as on the screen. Add test score. And enter the score value. So that's it. Tutorial how to edit a table in Ms. Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.